You want hygienic humidification without daily tedious cleaning? 2 weeks of hygienically clean water in your humidifier in just a few steps? Then stay tuned because I'm about to show you what these little miracle tablets can do. Hi, I'm Usha and I work at Stadler Form. Today I'll show you the unique Stadler Form Hygiene Tabs. These hygiene tabs were specially developed by the traditional Swiss company Düring. Düring is known worldwide for its descaling and cleaning product Durgol. The hygiene tabs ensure optimum water hygiene in your humidifier and your air washer. Fill the water container of your humidifier with water. Take a hygiene tab from the blister and place it in the water container. Close the humidifier and let the hygiene tab work for you. If your device is equipped with a water tank, fill the water tank with water. Place the hygiene tab into the water. Do not close the lid until the hygiene tab has dissolved and there is no more bubbling. For optimal effect, add a new hygiene tab every 14 days or after each cleaning. Even if fresh water is added daily, the ingredients of the hygiene tabs remain active. Please note that the Stadler Form hygiene tabs do not have a descaling effect. For this purpose, I recommend the Stadler Form Cleaner and Descaler. Now sit back and breathe in the freshly humidified air. Do you have any questions regarding the hygiene tabs? Write them in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye!